Good morning from this beautiful campsite here in Geese. We're just cooking up some breakfast. Delicious Vienna sausage. They're actually not that delicious, and I don't think we'll make the mistake of buying these again. The gas has nearly run out. We're about to hit the river path again, and we're probably going to wild camp tonight. So what I'm going to do now is make a hobo stove so we can burn twigs and hopefully still cook some food and make coffee. The first thing we need to do is puncture this gas canister. So here's our finished hobo stove. The pan goes on top here. Got a little door to put fuel in. Bon appetit! Cheers! As the sun goes down, off we go into the sunset. I think we found a nice spot for the night just off the canal, and the field's been cut and baled up already. Looks pretty good. This looks like the perfect place to stop for breakfast. Let's crank that hobo stove, make some macaroni. Here's a big one. I'll cook up a few of these, eh?
No mercy.
Oh, this is super nice. Like, the air is so fresh near the water. It's a little cold today. It's just like, it's just so chill. There's people out fishing. We've checked into this campsite here in Tergnier. It's very nice. About 15 euros a night. We have our lovely little pitch here, all to ourselves, with a table and chairs. And we've got power over there in the corner too. So pretty good. The Aldi is about 1 kilometer away. We're gonna go and collect some supplies and then rest
You forgot, there's a beach just over there.
Oh yeah, there's a beach and also a swimming pool that's included in the camping. Good morning. We've had a lovely stay here at Camping de la Frette. Today we're heading to Noyon. Time to pack this up. We have some real, what do you call this stuff?
Train juice.
Lubrifiant longue durée. It should be better than cooking oil.
Ooh, riding.
It's good?
Yep. Changing gear pretty fast now.
Nice spot for a break, have some water. It's very hot today again.
So clear in this canal, you can see the fish and all the way to the bottom almost. There's one.
We'll be crossing this bridge up ahead, heading into the town of Tergnier. I'm inside Intermarché, which is like Walmart here, looking for gas for the camping, for the camp stove. Here we go, barbecue stuff. Useless, so no gas from the hardware store or from the big Walmart type shop. They don't have it. So here we are at Lidl again, and it looks like we'll be eating baguette or cooking macaroni on the hobo stove.
When in France, we eat pastries.
Yep.
Mmm. Très bon. French know how to make a lemon meringue.
Oh. Good snack.
No gas in Tergnier, but we've got a baguette, so we've got food for lunch and dinner.
Hot, man. I'm trying to get some shade here, cool off.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.